Hey there, today we are going to be unboxing and assembling your 775MX. Let's get started. First, remove the straps and staples from the box and open the top side. Then, remove all of the protective foam inserts and cardboard, as well as the front wheel. You can place this to the side, as we will need it later. Now remove the loose boxes. Be careful not to throw these away, as some will contain the necessary tools. After removing all contents, carefully lift the bike out of the box. For safety, we recommend having another person help you with this. Next, we recommend using a heavy-duty bike stand to finish the installation. Before working on your bike, it's essential to unplug your battery every time. Now let's gather the tools. You will need a torque wrench, a set of Allen keys, the front fender, a shock pump, an extra set of brake pad clips, your front rotor with the allotted bolts, the battery charger, as well as your pedals and multi-tool. Now, remove the front axle and slowly pull out the handlebars. Now, start by unscrewing the handlebar plate. And place the handlebars evenly. The indicator should be visible. Now screw back on the front plate, but do not tighten them fully. Next, you will plug in the yellow cables. It's very important to note the arrows, as they must be facing each other to avoid bending or damaging the pins. Repeat this process with the green cable. Make sure the arrows are facing each other, then plug it in. Next up, we will need to install the front rotor. Using the provided bolts, you will need to tighten them to 4 Newton meters using your torque wrench. To install the front fender, you will screw in the 4 bolts and fully tighten them. Now let's install the front wheel. First, remove the brake pad spacer and carefully place the rotor side in first. Then place the axle inside. Screw this in fully and tighten it to a spec of 9 Newton meters. Then tighten the front pinch bolt to 7 Newton meters. Located on the pedals, there are letter indicators, L for left and R for right. Now let's put air in the front forks. Start by unscrewing the cap labeled air. Screw on the pump and set the lever to locked position. As you pump air in the shocks, it's important to compress the forks periodically to allow the air to settle. Once you've reached the desired pressure, unlock the pump and screw the cap back on. Next, set the handlebars to your desired riding position, and then tighten them using your torque wrench to 6 Newton meters. Now, plug in your battery and turn it on. Now press the display power button and check if your bike is operating correctly. Once verified, you are good to go. Enjoy.